Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug the Chromecast into an open HDMI port and attach its power cable to the TV USB or wall adapter. Once done, switch the TV input to that HDMI source so the Chromecast screen appears. Make sure your mobile device is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use, because the Setup app will detect the Chromecast only when both devices share the same network. This step prevents connection conflicts during the configuration. You now open Google Home and tap Add Device, then set up New Device in your home. The app should discover the Chromecast. When it does, confirm the 4-digit code shown on the TV matches the app. Next, choose the correct Wi-Fi SSID and enter its password. This links Chromecast to your network. While the device applies settings, allow a minute for firmware updates. Make sure your phone stays within Wi-Fi range, because interruptions can restart the process and delay setup. You finish by testing casting from a phone or laptop. Open an app with a cast icon and select the Chromecast name. If the device doesn't appear or buffering occurs, restart the TV, Chromecast, and router in that order to clear temporary network hiccups. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast button for 25 seconds until the LED blinks. This restores defaults and fixes many setup failures. Finally, run through the Home app setup again to confirm successful reconnection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.